A dessert from Minas Gerais made in a plastic cup that melts in your mouth. In a pan, start by adding 400 grams of guava paste that I've cut into cubes for easy handling. Then add 150 milliliters of water and stir well until the guava paste is completely melted. Remember folks, the heat should be at medium temperature. In the meantime, in a separate container, add 395 grams of condensed milk, along with 400 grams of cream, 25 grams of Parmesan cheese, 200 grams of cream cheese. Once that's done, we simply need to mix everything together nicely. Once the guava paste is completely melted, we'll now add a packet of already hydrated unflavored gelatin. After adding it, let's stir everything again until the gelatin is fully dissolved. Now that it's done, let's take this guava mixture and add it to our plastic cups. Remember folks, let the guava paste cool down a bit. After distributing it into all the cups, put them in the fridge until it solidifies. For the remaining part, we'll add another packet of already hydrated, unflavored gelatin. Let's give it a light stir. With our guava paste solidified, we'll now add this mixture on top of it. Once it's all ready, just put it in the fridge and leave it until it's chilled. Look how incredible this dessert turns out, super quick, easy, and delicious. A well-known Romeo and Juliet made in a cup. Try making it at your home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe brought to you by Pobre na Cocina. Take care until next time, thank you.